What's up, forehead? You have a dying bike like I do? Well, you may need a stator. The way to diagnose a stator is as follows. Take the bike, you're going to want to attach a voltmeter to the battery, and when you start the bike, you should be more than 12 volts. More than 12. So I'm going to do that, test the stator. I have one, so we're going to put one on today. We also have to take our brand new fairings off, so I'm real excited about that. And hope we never, ever have to do this fuck shit again. We will. We will. And at the time, I'll think it's nothing until I start doing it. I also have everything behind me that I need to fix this. Let's take a dive into this. What's up, forehead? 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 What's up, forehead?
Why do you think you're so fucking cool?
Alright, so the first step is testing the stator to make sure it's good. That's going to be simple. First step is to take the seat off. Luckily, I already took this bolt out, so we can just pop that off. Now, excuse this stuff. This will be fixed in another video. We're going to take our positive and our negative, and we're going to put a meter on that. Now, it doesn't matter what meter you have, as long as you can measure DC volts, which most multimeters can. That there, get this to turn on. All you got to do is press the power button. Wow, that is very legible. I like it. So with our meter connected, and we can see, and being able to see how many volts we have. And as we rev it, it's supposed to go up, but it went down. Why'd it go down? I don't know. Alright, so now that test absolutely backfired in my face, we're still gonna do this. Now I gotta take that fairing off. Let's go. Our next step is to drain the oil. Only the stator cover is over on this side. This right here is the stator cover, so we gotta take the other side off too. Don't forget, the EPA will be mad at you if you don't do something like this. Now, we drain the oil for a reason, and that's because there's oil in this case. So when we take this case off, where the stator is, there's going to be oil coming out of the bottom. Oil filter, don't worry about that. That's in another video. You can watch that video here. If it's not done yet, that video will be here in the future. But it's up there. These are going to be a bunch of 5mm Allen keys, Allen hex heads, whatever you want to fucking call them. They're going to be 5mm. This is where all the oil's at. Here it is. This one? No, I didn't miss any. It's just fucking on there. I gotta get a pry bar. So because these have gaskets behind them, they're usually pretty stuck on there. You might need some persuasion. Sometimes maybe more. Thankfully, it has a tab.
You got bigger persuasion, there you go. Buy a jigsaw.
No, nobody ever said buy a Gixxer. I don't even say buy a Gixxer. These colors don't rhyme, Ricky.
These colors don't rhyme.
I'm not gonna say it.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh.
Maybe the gasket.
Yeah, that was the fucking magnet. Holy shit, that was strong. So the next step is just to take everything out of here, including our crunchy gasket.
Why is it crunchy?
Why is it? I don't know. Ask it.
Crunch.
And how the fuck is that a thing?
Here, homie.
So that's a problem. Not quite melted together, but not quite together. It's melted together without the together part. Well, the magnet's good, so that's cool. I'd say that's a bad stator.
Yeah, it's out of the box.
Wow, that is fucking singed. So this is what it should look like. And this is what ours looks like. Little difference. So I gotta clean this up. Oh God, dude, this is bad. All right, so to replace this, 1, 2, 3 bolts. It looks like it only fits one way because they're not exactly a perfect triangle. And we also gotta take this one out to get the wires out. These are also gonna be 5mm. Take your bracket out. Everything should just come on out of there. That's a heavy bitch. No galling, I don't see very much damage on it. Just that it's old. And then the new one, which will only go in one way. Alright, and then you just fit everything new into place. The hardest part is getting the wires in the right spot and then tighten everything down. Use your manufacturer torque spec. Beep.
The stator cover install and removal was filmed in front of a live audience.
Yeah, that too. Now with these bolts, you're going to want to go in a triangle pattern to make sure everything goes down smoothly. Beep, 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 beep. And we're good. All right, now that everything's on and our gasket is off, fit the gasket. Thankfully, there's one dowel pin right here, and it goes this way. Yeah, okay, that's a good fucking magnet, yeah? All right.
Let's just hope those gaskets are in line now.
It is.
Yeah, I don't think it had much time to fall when it got sucked in the motor at terminal velocity. I don't think it had much time to move.
All right, because this is a motor cover and these bolts go into the engine and there's oil in there and a gasket, we're gonna use our manufacturer torque specifications, and because it's a motor cover, there's gonna be a certain sequence you do it at. Don't do what I do. I'm not responsible for your shit blowing up. If my shit blows up, that's one thing. Beep, 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 beep. How many was that? Last and final step is to take your very clean plug from a very good stator and plug it into your new stator. This is definitely the worst part of this. Did I get it? Oh, I fucking got it, bitch. All right, and tuck that away so nobody ever sees it ever again. Now we have a good stator. Now we can ride around without our bike dying all the fucking time. With headlights.
And adding oil first.
Yeah, we can't ride yet. We still gotta add oil. All right, the last step is to add oil. I should probably use a funnel for this and pour almost all of this in there. It's just motor oil. It actually passes through your digestive system.
Synthetic.
Semi-synthetic. So it's half real.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's half dinosaur juice. 1.5. No, I should have a half left. Alright, we got one final step, and that's to do the rectifier, which is right here. So I got to take this fairing off too. So unfortunately, the last person that did this used a zip tie, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. But to take this off, we're gonna take that zip tie off, follow the wire up top, and unplug it from right here. We'll do that now. Like so. Undo that zip tie. Remove the rectifier. Now we'll take the new rectifier, set it in place, run the wire, run our zip tie, and secure it, just like they secured it before. And then trim it up. Ta-da! Now we got a new rectifier, and we'll plug it in. And just like that, we have a new rectifier. Yeah, baby. Now we have a new stator, new rectifier, and new oil. Go figure. Now we slap everything back together and start it. And that's that.
Good, everything.
That's a wrap. Oh, you want it?
No, I'm good.
No?
Yeah. A little warm?
Very warm.
Literally just that. All of the shit on it.